stay for a while. Some people go all the way to 8 hours. And then you have your sort of like fermented, you have your sort of like your sauce. You put it together.
Hot kimchi. Yes, this is radish, right? And then this is the one you made, peju kimchi, sorghum kimchi. This is another type of radish, and then that's the radish leaf kimchi. That last one is also cabbage, but as you can see, it does not have pepper flakes in it. That's gochugaru. And then the last one there is stir-fried kimchi, stir-fried cabbage kimchi.